beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is who is coming for you in August. If you are single, coupled, or in a relationship, whatever your status is, friends, let us see what will happen in your love life in August, especially who is coming towards you in love life, friends. And I will try to take some initials also, so because many of you requested for this reading with initials, so here it is now, friends. Do subscribe, Magic Vents Tarot, friends. Do subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a reading whenever they are posted. I post daily 3-4 times, so make sure to subscribe, click the bell icon. Thank you so much if you have already subscribed. Friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. Also, friends, before we begin, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. And this is for August 2020, but you can watch it anytime. You can also come back to confirm. Many people do that. So, yes, you can definitely confirm later on also. So let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option 1, this beautiful red flower. Option number 1. Option number 2, this beautiful pink flower. Option number 3, this beautiful purple flower. I don't know if you can see it. Take a deep breath, relax, and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section, so you can directly skip there and choose your number. You can also choose more than one option, or you can watch the entire video. No problem at all, friends. Absolutely, because this is for August, so maybe more than 2 piles will resonate with you. Let's see, for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful red flower, how your love life will be in the month of August. These are your extra messages. Let's see your cards. The High Priestess, interesting. The 10 of Wands, and the Ace of Cups. Ooh, Ace of Cups, the Emperor. Wow, you have 2 major arcanas already. The Page of Pentacles and the Queen of Cups and the Ace of Cups. Wow, this is beautiful, friends. We'll also be pulling some extra messages from the Romance Angels. I forgot to mention it, so I'm mentioning it now. So let's see how your August will be, especially if you are single or whatever your status is, your love life in August 2020. Oh my God. Oh my God, you are going through a very tough phase right now in your relationships. Whether you are single or coupled, you feel very, very tired. You feel like, you have done so much, but where is the love? It's like you feel like, you had been working, but where is the reward in your love life? You are tired, you are frustrated. But I see that the month of August is going to bring you a lot of positive changes. I feel if you are really, really single, you could be meeting a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. This person could be younger than you. This person is at a distance from you, I feel. Or you have some age gap with this person. I also feel you could be meeting a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I also feel you could be one of these sun signs. I also feel like maybe you will get a choice in partners with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person also coming in. I feel like there is a divine union here. Look at this, the High Priestess and the Emperor, although the Emperor pairs with Empress. But look at this. These are 2 very, very powerful people. These are 2 divine counterparts. Look at this. Oh my God. And look at the numbers 2 and 4. 2 is for harmony, 4 is for marriage, relationships, and you also have the Ace of Cups. I feel a positive new start is coming your way, friends. Absolutely, in August 2020. I will pull more cards and romance angels, but definitely this is going to happen. Someone is going to offer you love, commitment, or a stuck relationship is going to reignite again in the month of August. And I feel, if you are, I feel another message I am getting, some of you may get a choice in love, like this person who is younger than you, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, they may also offer you love or propose you. Or this person who is mature or your age, or someone who is very established and very passionate, a leader, this person may also propose you, or they may also say they like you. So you will have choices, you will have choices in August, and you will be the, the person who will be choosing these people and deciding which is the best person or the partnership for you. I also feel you will have to use your intuition. You will have to use your intuition, your, how do I say this, your heart. Because both connections have their own gift, but you will have to use your intuition to decide which is the right partner for you. I feel one person is from the past. So if you're really like, you have someone in your past, this person wants to come back. They will say they are more mature now. They will say they are very different than what they were. I feel this person never opened their heart to you in the past, but in August, this person is going to share their love, offer you with love, affection, a lot of romance. But you will have to use your intuition. What is it that you want? Can you trust them now? Will you be able to trust them? Are they worthy? Are their promises real? I feel your intuition is telling you a lot of things in the month of August. And yes, there will be new romance, there will be offers of love, friendship. I see a lot of offers coming online for you. Someone offering, someone you work with, your colleague, your boss could also make an offer towards you or propose you. Passions are very high. I also feel some relationship has ended, a twin flame connection, but that person and you will again reconnect in the month of August. But still, your intuition, whether or not you connect or accept these offers of love, your intuition, oh my God. Friends, pile number one, you are going to really feel the energy of everyone around you, especially your twin flame or this person that's coming in August. You can know their heart, their mind, their thoughts. You are very powerful, and so is this person. It's like divine union, it's like divine matches. Let's see these cards also. Success and growth, number 8, fated union. It's fate and destiny bringing you together. Look at this card and look at this. These little hearts, and look at this pink and this orange. Pink is about the energy of love, orange is about seeing things clearly. So I definitely feel if you are really single, you are going to meet a love or get a special partnership, but you will have to use your intuition, or you will feel very connected to this person. Maybe you already feel they are coming into your life. This is a fated connection. For some of you, this is someone from your past trying to win you back, but you will also meet another person. I feel like you're controlling your emotions. You are like very wild, very fiery, very passionate. Pile number one, but I see you controlling or taming your emotions. I don't know why, but you are doing that. You are not letting your emotions run wild. In August, heal, number 17, again a number 8 card, friends. Oh my God, 8. August is also, I think, an 8 month. Correct me if I'm wrong, please, because I'm channeling. I can't think clearly when I'm channeling. I'm in this another zone when I'm channeling the readings. Um, So you are breaking free. You are breaking free of restrictions. You are awakening. And many people will be drawn towards you because you are this fiery, glowing red flower, and people are coming towards you. I also feel someone will make a move towards you, someone who was stuck, someone who was not giving you time, affection. This person is going to make a move towards you. But I feel like, I don't know why, I keep getting this message, pile number one, that you may get this beautiful love connection, love offers, proposals, but you may say no to them. Because I see you as this emperor and this high priestess, and so you may just reject offers. You may like, no, I'm happy as I am. I'm focusing on my success. I'm focusing on my growth. I'm focusing on my career. I don't want you to waste my time. Oh my God. Oh my God, super, super fiery. Let's take a romance angel's message. You are in your power, pile number one. You are in your power. If you are a man, I think you are going to meet someone, a girl who is your destined wife or wife material. Your or whatever, we are open to all genders, so it could be a wife, could be a husband for you. So yeah, you are going to meet your destined partner, and it is a healing connection. It will lead you to something beautiful. But I see that some of you may just like not be ready or in the mood for love because your focus is on success and on growth, on career, on intuition, learning something new, becoming a leader. But love comes when you just reject love, and like you are not even wanting love, desiring it, and boom, there it comes. That's how life is. When you don't want it, it happens. When you want it, nothing happens. Everything happens all of a sudden. So I feel that's your energy. So please, don't say no. I mean, like, I don't know what you want to do, but I definitely see you in very strong, powerful energy, and definitely a promise of love, marriage, forgiving, friends, forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in the present moment. I definitely feel you are very, very strong and powerful, pile number one, in August. No matter who comes or who goes away from you or towards you in love life, something needs to be forgiven from your past. Or maybe you are being a little hard on yourself, like, I can do everything alone, but someone wants to support you, so accept it. If life gives you extra care and love, take it. Take it. And someone from your past may return, so you need to release that person or forgive them so that a new lover or a reunion with that person can happen. Anything else? Definitely, if you are single, you are going to attract a lot of people. Wow, your cards are also flying. See? Calling in your soulmate, friends. Absolutely. Your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help bring you together. So, yes, people are trying to bring you and attract you in their life. And not just that, I feel you will be also calling someone new, because I feel like you don't want to deal with the past people. You are like, I want new people in my life, not the past people. Any other messages or alphabets for pile number one for August? Okay, any messages for pile number one? Okay, I got some. The letter L, let me just grab. Friends, the letter L is important, letter W, letter T, there is also U, there is R, so R-U-T, R-U-T-L, W. We also have more words, LL, so maybe love and luck both are yours. There is also letter J. J for is like Jackie, Jamie, Jenny, all those letters. Sorry, someone is saying sorry to you for August. Someone is saying sorry. Maybe you are sorry or they are sorry. beauty. Everyone feels you are very beautiful, very handsome in this month. I love you. Someone is going to propose you. Crush. I think many people are going to have a crush on you, friends. And I see you will be, if you are an introvert, I see it's going to be a very extroverted and a social month for you. Doctor, nurse, or a Reiki healer. So you could be attracting a doctor, a nurse, or someone who is very spiritual, because you do have the heal card. Heal number 17. This is a destined connection for sure. You have 288 and ace. Whew, whew. This is a hot reading. Family, see, this person and you are from the same family, like you come from like the same backgrounds, or you will end up getting married to this person. They want a family with you. June is important. June could also be a name for someone. Flirtations. I told you, this is a social month for you, whether you are an introvert or an extrovert, whether you want love or not, love is coming, love is coming. And longing, ooh. Oh my God. Stalking you. Yup, I told you, friends. People are stalking you. This Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sag, and this Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Everyone is stalking you. Lone Wolf. I feel this is your energy. You are like, no, 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 no. I don't want to be in love. I don't want to get things complicated. My focus is on career. You see, I'm so career focused, but here is like boom. Or someone very independent is coming your way. Someone who is very independent. Telepathic union. Friends, I told you, your intuition, your connections are high vibrational in August. Whew, this is a hot reading, friends. And if you still don't subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, when are you going to do that? Subscribe, friends. Like, share, subscribe, click the bell icon. Let me know if you enjoyed this reading. And your letters again are LJLRUTW. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. So friends, let's see, for those who chose option number 2, who is coming for you in love in August 2020. If you are single, couple, whatever your relationship, who is coming for you in love. We'll see some initials also, we'll take some romance angels messages also. I'll live shuffle for you, so don't worry about it. Your cards are the Page of Wands, the Two of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles, the Six of Wands, interesting, and the Hermit, the King of Pentacles, and the Seven of Pentacles, interesting. I feel you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person in the month of August. I definitely feel there is someone from your past, or you will be dealing with someone from your past in the month of August, or someone is on your mind from the past. If you are really single, okay, let me just break it down. I'm getting 2 messages here. If you are really single, you may be feeling very left out, very alone, or right now you are feeling like that, very alone, very left out. You feel like you will never find someone or something like that. It could also be that you had been single since a long time, so you are feeling left out right now, or in the beginning of August. For others, I feel there is a relationship which is hot and cold. This person has hurted you. They have hurted you, blocked you, you have hurted them. A lot has happened. You both have left each other at times. Both are hurting. So I feel like this person will be on your mind in August. This person from your past. I feel like there is a chance of you getting two people in your life in August. I definitely see an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person coming towards you. This person is very passionate, they are very bold, they are very good looking and happy, positive person. They are very like, yeah, inspiring. Let's do this, let's do that, supportive person. But I also feel like this person will be very like show offy. They will show off their work, their success, every little achievement. They want to talk all about themselves. I know some of you are saying, I heard what you said, and imagine I'm recording this earlier, you're gonna see it afterwards, and then you're gonna say, but I heard what you said. I think you are saying that, oh my god, we are not going to deal with a show offy person. If they want to talk about themselves, I don't want to hear that. But I think they are cute, this person is cute because this look at this beautiful pink energy. This person is a bit show-offy, but they are still cute, and they are very supportive also, and they are like, they have like a very childish, like, see what I did that. So you kind of like, oh, they are so cute. So it's not that in a negative way they are showing off. I also feel they will like your success a lot. This person will like your success, and not just their own success, they will also appreciate when you are successful. And I feel like this relationship will start very quickly and will be very, if you are really single, you will meet this person online or through social media or through common friends or through work or education, and things will fly off very quickly, and very soon you'll be dating or falling in love with them. So it's a quick relationship. But I also feel there is this person from the past also coming back, or they are on your mind. Some of you could be getting a choice between past lover or two lovers. So yes, there will be some choices coming towards you in August, some decisions, some choices. I also feel you might have to work harder to juggle a relationship, or you will have to manage work and love life, or maybe some of you will want to know two people, like, you will simultaneously or like at the same time you are talking to two people. Nothing wrong, especially if you are looking for marriage or long term commitment. You may be trying to talk to get to know these people, because I don't think so you know them well. This is definitely a new person. This person is also kind of like from your past. You don't have recent contact with them. So this person will come back, they will try to offer you, apologize to you. This person has been a hermit since a long time, no communication, no contact, but this person will try to make a move towards you. They will try to win you. But you will be like, I'll wait and watch. I am in no hurry. In month of August, you are like, yeah, I'm taking my sweet time. What's hurry? I have options, you know. So I feel definitely someone from long distance, from a different country, different city will be important to you. And if you already have a partner in a different city, you will be meeting someone else also. You will be taking your time, balancing work and love life, and you will also achieve some success in work also, I feel like. And you will be patient. You are in no rush in August. You are like, yeah, I'm waiting and watching who will take the most effort, who wants to win me. Even if you are a man, you will attract a very, very passionate, a very young girl. And you might also attract someone who is elder or more mature in her energy, someone who is very not a workaholic, but very career driven person, very strong, very rooted, very passionate, very bubbly. So two types of energy are there. Let's see your romance angels. We also have these romance cards and your charms also, so we'll look at that. Teach number 5. So definitely there is a connection that will teach you something, or you are teaching a person, a relationship, a lover something, so there is a lot of spiritual learning from each other. I also feel you could fall for your student in August, or your boss or your juniors at work. So there is this energy. I also feel like people will respect you a lot in August, whether you are single, married, whatever your relationship, people will respect you a lot. Relationships are teaching you something in August. They are teaching you patience, they are teaching you how to balance life, how to balance your mind, your heart, and how to get to know people. I think you will need some patience with this past person if they return back, or even if you are single and single from a long time, you will need some patience with a relationship because you know things will be moving quickly, but you will not be able to trust them. So you will take your time. Just breathe. See, number 4. Just breathe. Number 4. Wow. See, this person is mirroring you, your energy, and definitely, this is a very spiritual connection. So you, even if there is no one coming from your past, you will still think about them because you have this energy. Just breathe. And this person, reflection is here. So you will be feeling very attached, very close to someone. Let's see your romance angels. So that is why you will be successful in love, very demanded, in demand in love, but you will take a wait and watch approach, and decisions will be there. August is a spiritual month for you, love wise. You will be trying to understand why something happened in the past, or why you were alone or single since a long time. Let's see your romance angels, and then we're gonna look at the initials for pile number 2. Ooh, retreat. See, I told you. It's time to disconnect from the world. I feel like you will be taking time to know a person and not telling your family or parents or everyone about it, like, lo, 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 ga, 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 blah, blah, blah. My relationship with so and so is going like this. You will be taking time and getting to know each other without telling anyone. Quietly, you are watching them and knowing them and sharing with them. Angels for pile number 2, how August 2020 love will be. Who is coming? What's gonna happen for pile number 2? I'm getting stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. See? So someone is going to offer you something. I definitely feel. And look at this. This wants to come out. It came actually with this card, but I wanted to pick only one. But give your relationship a chance, work on your partnership. See, friends, definitely your relationships are going to need a bit of patience, and you will be extremely successful in them in August. So a lot of spiritual lessons are there because you have teach number 5, number 4, 11, 11, 12, 13, 18, 19, 20 are important. Initials for pile number 2 for the month of August. For pile number 2, you got lots of cards. Let's see. Ooh, your letters are I, A, and another A, and E, and I. There is a lot of vowels here. Yeah, and there is also C. I don't know if you can make any words. There is O, there is T. So T, maybe you will go out on a coffee date or tea with someone. There is another letter M. There is Mia. Maybe someone's name is Mia or Sia. Tia. I'm also getting Tia if you put it here. Tia. So let me just put in like this. Double I, E, double A, M, C, O, and T. You can also make some words like maybe T I can see, and COAT, coat. So someone wants to protect you. I feel like that. You let me know the words you can make out of these, because I leave that to you. Wedding, see, wedding is important for you. Maybe some of you will meet this person through wedding, through matrimonial dating sites. Heart, yeah, someone wants to offer you their heart. I told you, stay optimistic. Someone wants to offer you their heart. I hope you can see. What is Europe? See, long distance. I told you, long distance, different city, different country. Long distance, Europe is important. Friends forever, yes, definitely. I feel this person will definitely enjoy your success. The person who is coming for you, you could be friends with them first, or a friend will propose you. Money issues, definitely. I feel someone from the past was not focusing because of money or work, but now they will. Soul tribe, I feel you are feeling lonely right now, so you will meet your soul family, soul tribe, new friends in August. Passionate connection, yes, I feel this person or someone who is coming for you is very passionate. Look at this, just breathe. Wow, this is beautiful. What else? Loves to take charge. Yes, I told you they are like a leader, a little show offy, cute, and very sweet, very charming. Childhood issues. I think this person childhood issues could be like they are younger or they like to really enjoy life. Different backgrounds. Yes, this person is from a different culture, religion, and background. This is a blank tile, so this could be like anything that you don't know yet will happen in August for you, or maybe if their name is not here, letters, this is that time. I remember everything. So, someone is actually coming back from your past, or someone is going to have a very sharp memory. Queen of your heart. So, definitely, people are going to treat you with a lot of respect in August. New person. I told you, choices in love, decisions in love, travels a lot. Yeah, you could be traveling a lot, or this person is traveling a lot. They are an optimist. Yes, they are. So it's an amazing, amazing month for you. I feel August. There is just a bit of like you are watching, taking your time, not rushing through, taking your time to know each person and deciding then, because wedding or long-term goals are on your mind. So that's it for now. Please do subscribe. Magic Wins Tarot Friends. Subscribe, like, and share. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. And many of you asked me for the shade of this nail paint. You loved it. I will let you know in the comments or in the next video possibly, because I don't remember which shade is this or the name of this. It's lavender lilac. So yeah, that's all I remember. So lilac blush or something. So yeah, join us on Insta. That was some extra info. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. And this is Mystic C Singh. Bye for now. So for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful purple flower, let's see what will happen in the month of August. Who is coming for you in love? Whether you are single, coupled, or whatever your relationship status is, this is your extra messages. I'm gonna also pull your romance messages live, and we'll pull some initials and extra love messages. Let's see. Your cards are Eight of Wands, Four of Cups, okay. The the Six of Pentacles. Ooh, the Star. The Judgment. The Strength. Oh my God. The Ace of Swords. The Knight of Swords. You got more cards than the other piles. And the Ten of Pentacles. Ooh la la. Okay, I'm gonna move this here for now because let's see. So how your August will be, let's see that. I hope you can see the cards. I feel an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini is important for you in the month of August, or you are an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I also feel an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important for you. Friends, August is a very important month for you because your wishes are going to come true. You are also going to get this judgment. So something is going to be revealed to you regarding your love life. I feel you had been stuck in this energy where people do not give you time, do not give you attention, they are not giving you love, or you have been attracting all the wrong people in the past. So I feel you feeling very unhappy, very satisfied. If even if you are with someone, you feel like this person is not giving me time, they don't love me, they don't support me, they don't have any time. Maybe they have blocked you, or they have someone else in their life. So there is this energy of right now you feel frustrated, or when you start the month of August, you feel like you are being left out, you are missing on something in life. If there are people, if you are like really, really single, there are offers but you don't like them, or you feel there is no one interesting in life coming your way. So you feel a bit left out, and you feel a bit like, nah, life isn't going my way. I attract all the wrong people. Love is not my cup of tea or my cup of wine, whatever you call it. But I feel, friends, I definitely feel that your wishes regarding love and marriage or commitment are going to come true in the month of August. Absolutely, some sort of a wish fulfillment is going to happen. I feel if you don't know your twin flame, you will connect them in the month of August, either telepathically, through dreams, through signs in the divine, like 111, 444, or 777. You will see it a lot. Or you, if you already know them in your twin flame, you are going to connect with them in some way in the month of August. I feel you connected with them. Some June is also important. I keep getting June. I feel also like, you are going to get a lot of messages from new people, or messages from your past lover, your twin flames. A lot of people will be messaging you, talking with you in the month of August. Some important messages are coming your way. If someone has hurted you in the past, I feel they will try to win you back, or say sorry, or some sort of an awakening. I see you are focused on this. Is like also you are awakening, pile number 3. You are awakening to some another level of love, another level of commitment. So this is very strong, and you are going to have a very strong relationship, very, very strong relationship. If you are single right now and worried that you will never find true love, darling, you are wrong. You are going to find it. Perhaps you already have it right now, it's just not being open to you or revealed to you. All right, friends. Okay, I have to say this again. I have to say this many times. I don't know how many times angels are telling me to say this. August will happen, some awakenings will happen for you, some divine messages, some divine wishes are going to come true. A relationship will be tested, but it will come out eventually beautifully and stronger. There is an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person coming your way. This person and you will end up getting married, or you already are married, or you were once planning to get married. So there will be questions, talks regarding marriage, settling down, family. I also feel if you are single, you will meet this person through your family, through common friends, through your work or your family business. So keep your eyes open. I also feel some of you may have recently ended a connection, and some sort of a relief, or some sort of a, relief, or you will find some relief or some sort of a strength or love from that connection. Like, yeah, you did right. I see communications coming, new start coming, new start, communications, wishes coming true, messages, important people coming into your life. I also see you could be attracting a person who has hurted you or put you in a third party. Sorry, but we will clarify, but I do feel it. With the romance angels, we'll clarify, and with the initials, you may know who this person is. But there may be a person who is going through a tough or rough ending of a marriage, or maybe an engagement is broken off, or they put you in third party. They will come back and justice will be done. Absolutely. If you are really single, you will meet a person who is like a dream come true, and you and this person is definitely going to have a long-term relationship. Let's see your other cards. Throat chakra again. See number 5. Oh God, friends, this is about divine messages coming your way. I see you are awakening, pile number 3. More than what other people are doing to you or what love is coming, I see you awakening. Look at this, you waiting, you feeling, you understanding the, like, people are making you wait, you feeling left out, you suddenly taking action, you finding the awakening in your life, and God showing you what you need to do next, and you feeling, yes, I have finally achieved what I wanted to. And that will lead to marriage, that will lead you to a soulmate connection. Throat chakra, important messages are coming. I would say keep a track or note down the messages you get in the month of August, or signs, or um, even people who are talking. Keep a note of it, because I feel like they are important. Moving on, see number 8. Definitely, I see that you will be leaving a connection or a marriage, or someone will be leaving a connection or a marriage or a bad partnership or anything that was stopping them, and they will be moving towards you. It's like two paths aligning. I see like two paths are aligning. You are going here and they are here, and you both meet in the middle. So let's see your romance angels messages. This is interesting. Definitely you are moving ahead in August. And look at this, you chose this purple, which is the crown chakra color. So wow, interesting. Oh, see, your cards are flying. New love. Oh my God. See, you are moving on from the bad people or relationships which kept you stuck, because you have heard the call of the universe. You know it is the right thing, the right timing. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. So some of you are getting a new love, or maybe a relationship will be tested, but you will get out stronger. Anything else for pile number 3 for August? Pay attention to red flags. The signs are cautioning you. Again, it's about signs. Here also it is about dreams, messages, awakening, judgment, divine signs, throat chakra signs. Friends, take a note of signs in the month of August. Something is being told to you through signs, messages, even right now. Maybe you are not listening to the signs. So, or not trusting that you will find this love. Keep trusting. Anything else for pile number 3 for August? Healing family issues, your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. So definitely forgive the people from your past, your family, your childhood issues, parents, and even the past lovers, so you can attract this new love, or maybe find this union with the same person. Let's see the initials for pile number 3. Who is the coming towards pile number 3 in August? Let's see that for pile number 3 in August. Who is coming? For pile number 3, who is coming? Lots of cards actually came out. Let's see your charms. Initials A, E, Q. Wow, Q. I don't know if there is a name with Q. I don't know. I know only Qatar with Q. That's I think a country, right? City, country, what? Q, A, E, there is C, there is I, there is T, there is also the letter T here. Anything else? There is S here. C, so C is important. C is important for you. Any other? C, again a C, both two C's are there, letter C, M. Yeah, that's all the letters. So double C, I, T, M, S, E, A, and Q. Let's see what else is here. Reunion. So definitely a relationship is being tested. There is a chance you may move on. For some of you, 50% of you, a reunion will happen. Oh my God, your cards are definitely flying. I'm not sure why. School friends. So yeah, you could be meeting some school friends, people you have known. Maybe there's a school reunion, a new person is also coming, and a new love is also here. Oh my God, I pulled this in front of you, friends. Asia is important. A new start is coming for you, friends. Wow, this is beautiful. 1 year So maybe something was bothering you from 1 year, or maybe you'll get married in the next 1 year, a past life connection. Okay, okay, I'll just put them here so I can have some more space. Queen of your heart, this person loves you, or they will love you, propose you. I want to defend you. Yeah, this person will be protective and defensive about you. Call me, they want you to call them. I feel they will call you a lot, message you a lot. They will keep like, look, talk to me now, why don't you talk to me, I want to talk to you now. May is also important. And there is a lovely smile. This person has a lovely smile, or you have a beautiful smile. USA and Asia is important. Childhood issues, forgive your healing family issues. I think you need to forgive some things, friends. It's necessary. Loves to take charge. I think you need to take charge of your destiny. Adoration, someone actually adores you, you know, they adore you, they love you. And what else? Friends forever. Yeah, this person could be from your school. You may meet them at a reunion because you have school friends, or from your college already met your lover. So yeah, I do feel you, there may be someone from your past also. So for some of you, I see this relationship getting better. For others, you getting stronger and attracting a new person. Heart. So definitely heart is main thing. Listen to your heart, follow your intuition, talk about your feelings. Don't stay cuddle time, friends. You gonna enjoy some beautiful cuddles and some mushy love. Oh my god, it's like the first romance, I don't know if you know any first romance songs. I can't think of any. Maybe Oh Carol, or there's this song, Oh Carol. I'll leave the link. It's a very old song, but I keep getting that. Or Alice, there's that song Alice. I don't know if you have heard it or not. I keep getting those. It's like this puppy love coming back into your life again, and you feeling like, oh my god. So, yes, friends, but I feel for most of you, it is you awakening to this beautiful divine love. And it's beautiful, friends. It's beautiful. So that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com. And this is Mystic C saying bye.